Hands and fingers are one of the largest challenges presented during AI image generation. When prompting an action that requires fingers and hands, there are many questionable results that can occur, but most commonly, you're either going to be given too few or too many. In this visual tutorial, I'll be working with the masking tool inside the Inpaint subtab in Image to Image to remove undesirable areas and replace them with something else. Once I select a photo, I'll click Send to Inpaint and mask the first area at the banjo's neck and work through the available adjustable CFG, denoising, and sampler settings until I'm satisfied. The settings I used are displayed at the bottom of the pictures. Then I move masking down to other areas. Followed by the right hand and the body of the banjo. Once my settings were dialed in to something acceptable, I set my masks and told it to generate forever to see if I could continue to get more useful examples.